I hope you enjoyed today's video, but before we get started, please subscribe and remember to hit the bell for notifications.
There's our 10-foot cabinet. It won't quite fit in the back, so Colleen's coming out to help me. We're gonna open the side door and slide it into the side door. Getting in the leaves.
Kind of pretty. Hopefully it doesn't damage my cherry tree.
He'll live. Oh, okay, here's Colleen on her own working.
Yeah.
She's getting that cabinet up above her seat. Make sure it's got good clearance. We'll get it up there, propped up, and run some screws in it. Okay.
So the blue tapes are marking all of the metal studs that are running through the ceiling. We've got wires going back to the lights, 2 of which will be over the sink, 2 over the stove, and 2 over my chair. I'm done.
There we go.
There's our buddy.
Rocky.
He's helping with the kitchen
Rocky.
cabinets too, huh? And the ceiling. And Alan's working on the back wall. Hi, dear.
Hi there. So that's kind of how each one of our boards are going to go. We'll go all the way up to finish this out. We had to kind of demake the bed so we could get up here. But we'll bring that all the way up, like I say. And then we have a back shelf, the other one you seen last night, that goes across the back for our clothes cubbies or whatever, the little blue things. So that's kind of where it is. Gotta get to work. It's raining outside. Getting down to my last few pieces. I got pretty much everything cut. So I'll get these last few pieces up and then show you the end thing. Oh, here comes Colleen. She's gonna say, "What the heck you been doing?" And there's Colleen, like I told you. I seen her coming out here. But anyhow, here's what we got. This is my finished edge. I tried to figure out something that I could do a finished edge time the mattress goes in here. This is going to be a nice sweet edge. I am going to put 2 brass screws in these to hold it back. And that'll be a pretty nice edge. I've got a couple short pieces up top to go in the back. I just went and got the pieces cut to do the cabinet underneath the bird perch, the microwave, and whatever else. We do have these pieces cut already here, and I gotta make sure I don't fall on my ass because I'm trying to hold the mattress back because it's like spring loaded. But in the back, underneath the AC unit, the gray part there, we've got a 6-foot cabinet that goes across the back. That's for clothes and stuff like that. So I've already got that made. So as soon as I put these couple pieces in the top, we'll be able to put that in because it goes right underneath the AC unit. So it just kind of snugs underneath there. And it does fit 6 cubes. Okay, I was thinking she was saying tubes. So I'm thinking, hey, round.
He lost his hearing aids again.
but anyhow, they're square tubes. Now we got it down pat. They're tubes that go across there. So there's 6 of them that go across there. So that's going to give us a lot of storage for our clothes. And then we are going to have a couple come across this way. And then we are going to frame that in, and that'll be little cubby holes for like towel, whatever we can fit up in there. And then the AC unit will get grill on front of it, so it won't look like that plastic thing. It'll all blend in. Like I say, this is a finished edge here. I'll get this done up here, and then I can put the mattress back in here. So the next thing I'm going to jump on is the plexiglass enclosure for the bird, and that way she'll have her own little thing, and up on top will be pretty birds, the little birds. Don't know how pretty she is, but that's what we call her.
He's
pretty
cute.
Bird. But she's a sweet little guy till she squawks. But so Sabrina, the bigger macaw, is going to have like a good 3-foot distance, and then on top of her will be Pretty Bird, and we're going to make it all out of plexiglass. She'll be able to look out the window, look over here, see if Colleen's burning supper or not, or if we're doing the dishes right. But she'll be involved with our whole family, so she'll be part of the family, so it makes her feel pretty important. 9 days left.
You got a lot accomplished today, dear.
It looks like it, but not quite. But yeah, I've got everything cut. We got a lot of boards cut. We've got 3 pieces of plywood cut.
Got more accomplished than I did. I wasn't feeling well today.
Well, that's part of life, you know. We work together, because sometimes when you get things accomplished, it's like, looks like a big freaking mess, but you got it all organized, ready to come in, waiting on these cabinets that I made, so you can bring your mess from in there to out here and organize it. We'll make it. 10 days left. We're out of here.
I'm headed to the Vanville.
Our mission is to give back. We're gonna. So time's getting short. Gotta go. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna stay out here and put another hour or 2 in, but you'll catch it tomorrow. See you later. Bye.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And remember to hit the bell for notifications. Bye.